Skittles. I'll take the yellow Skittles.
I'll take the green.
This green?
That green is just beautiful.
You like the green Skittles, buddy? Red Skittles aren't bad. Hey, sharp, dude. Blue Skittles, not bad either.
Oh my god. What?
He's up on the roof. Should we wave at him? Woo! This is the most cash car here. GT2. Zoom in. There we go. Hey. Whoa! M Moan Man. Good guy, Patrick. Whoa, whoa. Good guy, Patrick. Look at him. Oh, he's not gonna do something cool. Damn. Woo. Well, that wasn't very exciting. Also, shout out to twitch.tv/chaos104. Acura NSX, actually a Honda NSX, right-hand drive, on bags, APR wing, aftermarket taillights, absolute money. All right.
Multi-billion dollar house.
No such thing exists.
Yeah, it's actually the
Titanium exhaust, titanium exhaust, B-Rogue built titanium exhaust, manual R8 V10. This thing is pretty sweet. Oh, there's an Evo. Look at that. Yes. Gallardo Spider. Manual. 360 Spider. The Wisconsin Gamer. What's up? 360 Spider. Manual. Oh, he's even got the sticker. 178 grand new. Look at that, dude.
No, Max, there's a red California down the parking lot there.
I don't care.
Okay, then have fun.
California, no me gusta.
Well, we were here since 9.
Yeah, but there's a very specific type of Ferrari collector, and I am that thing. Gen 1 Gallardo. E-gear, though. Still pretty cool. This Vanquish. Ooh. Ooh. Favorite car of the show right here. R8. Piece of Spider. Another great car here. This G is crazy, man. GT3 with the tow hook, you know this guy drives it. Piece of coupe. Some nice bronze wheels, yellow calipers, carbon fiber there.
That's a good everyday.
And the motor.
I did.
Another one. I need it in my life.
Yeah, but I mean,
Beautiful.
as I was saying,
See, now we're back to my favorite part of the show right now. Twin turbo Huracan. Can't really tell from in there. Can't even make that up. We'll come back for this. Meanwhile, while that's getting figured out, look at this. Yes. One of 5, I believe, that one of 5 GT2 RS is painted in this orange. Incredible. This is the best color I've ever seen on a GT2 RS. I've seen a white one, I've seen a black one, maybe a blue one, I can't remember, but this is the best color I've ever seen. Incredible. Twin turbo Alpha Huracan. Herding sheep. Looks like he doesn't want to even... There we go. I'll let you guys see what's on the very end because it's crazy. 720 Spider. Huracan with some carbon bits. Little wing there. Orange perf, like the YouTube channel icon. Basically the car that represents the channel. And then that. Crazy. I mean, just look, would you look at it? Would you just look at it? Oh, that was the Turbo Huracan. Wow. Continental GT, the new one, first one I've ever seen. Those headlights, those are crazy. That interior. Wow. Whatever this is. But clearly this car is stealing the show. This is the car everybody's here to see. Come on, man. This is the car people are here to see. That ain't bad either, though. Got your plaque there, 70th anniversary Ferrari. gotta be one of my favorites here. Anything Porsche, really. That. Or that. Second of the two R8s here. Automatic though, kind of different. GTR here, T37 wheels. Looks like stock brakes and pretty much everything else. Maybe some aftermarket floor mats cross-stitched. Carbon aftermarket. Perhaps a Cobb tune as well, maybe. Who knows? Fire hazard? Fire hazard? Got the GT3 RS YSAC package. YSAC package is different from the normal GT3 RS, and it has some additional carbon bits, like exposed carbon wing roof. Most importantly, the Krabovich titanium exhaust. It sounds amazing. They sound so good in person, but like, just the profile of this car, the stance it has on the road is incredible. But I mean, those titanium tips really sell it. White Huracan perf here. Forged carbon inserts. The usual Lambo treatment these days. This little Allo logo on here. No, it doesn't look like it. And then the chalk YSAC. So you'll see it also has a crap itch. But it hasn't been worn in as hard yet. Super cool. Turbo S cab. All-wheel drive Porsche turbo, basically. Nuts fast, crazy fast, 0 to 60, it's insane. Yeah.
Dude, you want to go get some food?
Sure.
Let's go find Patrick.
Exige Roadster. Look at this thing. Beautiful. Zoom into the SVJ. Beautiful. Yeah, this has been the show.
Influencer things, figuring out when Shmi's coming back.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we're gonna be doing a shoot.
Very cool.
That's how last.
Yeah, I've gone through basically every car here. So.
Yeah, did you see the Turbo Huracan leaving?
Yeah, I actually got him starting it up. He actually walked by me and was like, sorry, because I was talking about the car, and then he
Sorry.
So I've got video of it starting, and I've got video of him going out the crowd, so it's pretty cool. So I guess the best way to end this video would be to go and look at the star car here for at least one person. Yeah, we didn't get up that close. I mean, obviously I'm distracted by those. Those are my favorites here, obviously, but look at this thing, dude. Rotiform wheels, APR raised wing, aftermarket taillights. Ooh. We'll take one of them. But just the profile this thing has on the phone is insane. See, it's got the cut bumper there. Your exhaust, wrong side, because it is a right-hand drive NSX, which means that it is not an Acura NSX, but instead a Honda NSX. Pretty freaking sweet. It's on air ride too. It aired down when it got here. I don't know how you would drive a car like this static, but that's the show. I guess this is kind of the impromptu 300 sub special. So shout out to all the subscribers for subbing, because we finally hit that milestone after a while of working at it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.